Today we will be discussing hair service preparation. After this class, you want to be able to explain why cosmetologists need a thorough understanding of shampooing, conditioning, and basic scalp care. You want to explain the benefits of the three-part hair care service. List important information to gather about your client before performing a shampoo and conditioning service or scalp massage. Demonstrate draping for a basic shampooing and conditioning service and for a chemical service. Describe how to properly brush the hair and how hair brushing contributes to a healthy scalp. Describe the benefits of a scalp massage during a shampoo and conditioning service. And describe the treatments for normal to mild scalp conditions. Describe the uses and benefits of the various types of shampoos and outline the uses and benefits of the various types of conditioners. Cleansing and conditioning the scalp is a necessary part of maintaining good health and hygiene. So, as a professional, you must understand the different types of shampoos and conditioning products available and what they offer for various hair types, textures, and hair and scalp conditions. Effective hair cleansing, rinsing, and conditioning provides a clean canvas for styling and finishing. Always consider hairstyling, texture, and lifestyle when making decisions about shampoo, conditioner, and scalp massage services. Keep in mind that your money is often made at the shampoo bowl, so you want to make sure that you're providing an exceptional guest experience when you are offering that hair service preparation. Keep in mind that the shampoo service is the first opportunity to establish your position as a professional. Product category knowledge allows you to recommend the best preparation and service to your clients. So you want to make sure that you are selecting products that are appropriate for the client's hair, their texture, the style that you are going for, and just to create the best look possible for the client. So we have the three-part hair care service, which is going to be our pre-service, our requested service, and then our post-service. For the pre-service, it is an organized step-by-step plan for cleaning and disinfecting your implements, assembling materials, organizing your station, and meeting your client. This is the time to perform an effective client consultation to gain information about service expectations. Make sure that you and your client are always on the same page by listening to the guests. You want to make sure that you're being a good listener, and then also by reiterating what they said back to them to make sure that you all understand each other. You also have our part 2, service procedure. The service procedure is an organized step-by-step plan for accomplishing the actual service the client has requested. So it could be a shampoo, a haircut, a color, a chemical. It just depends on the client. And then, and just also implementing that service, we always want to make sure that we're practicing excellence and, delivering that exceptional guest experience every time. Our post-service procedure is an organized step-by-step plan for caring for your client after the procedure. So you want to make sure you do that, follow up with the client, and also pre-book them for their next appointment. You want to think about your client consultation. Every salon service should include a client consultation to cover a variety of important points. So here are some questions specific to the shampoo and conditioning and scalp massage service to ask your client. Do you find a shampoo and conditioning service pleasurable? Do you prefer a light touch, cool, or warm water? Are you taking any medications that contraindicate a wet shampoo service or scalp massage? Scalp stimulation increases blood flow, which some clients must avoid because of health conditions. A physician may request a client use a dry shampoo for a medical reason, or the client might not be able to access the shampoo bowl. Have you had any negative concerns, experiences with prior shampoo and conditioning service? Do you have neck problems? Is there anything that may prevent you from receiving a relaxing shampoo service? Those are some questions that you may ask. You can consider sharing recommendations with your client based on the hair type and what it is you determine that they need. And then keep in mind that anytime you are going to be, as part of a pre-service, removing extensions or etc., you want to make sure you detangle the hair prior to shampooing it. So you're going to remove the extensions or whatever protective style they have. You're going to detangle the hair completely before wetting it. And then after it's been detangled, you can use a clear fan shampoo to remove buildup. And then you proceed with your shampoo and conditioner treatment. Your scalp analysis is an important step prior to every scalp treatment, shampoo, and conditioning service. It helps determine any challenges you should address or that may cause a physician's care. Proper scalp analysis requires a good view of the scalp. It may require sectioning or mild detangling to perform it properly. If there are indications of the following, you must decline the service. That might be abnormal scalp flaking, such as large-scale patches, open wounds or scalp irritations, possible abrasions, scalp disorders or diseases, tick or lice infestation, and abnormal hair loss that may indicate folliculitis. The client may need to see a dermatologist for antibiotic treatment. You want to be able to demonstrate proper draping as well. We have to remember our client safety is very important. So you want to make sure that you know the difference between a shampoo drape, a chemical drape, and then a cutting and a styling drape. So before draping the client, you want to make sure that they remove their jewelry, glasses, and anything that may fall in the shampoo bowl during the service. You always use a protective neck strip and or towel between the client's neck and the cape band to ensure protection for the client. Neck strips are made of absorbent tissue paper or cloth that stretches to fit comfortably around the client's neck. Make sure you're selecting the proper draping. If it's a shampoo drape, sometimes called a wet drape, it is used when the client is in the salon for shampoo and styling. The shampoo drape is done with a plastic shampoo cape. Once the shampoo service is complete, you may replace the cape with a hair cutting or styling cape. This cape has a smaller neck strip that allows a natural fall to the hair for more precision while cutting. A chemical draping is used for chemical services treatments such as hair coloring, perms, chemical relaxers, and the chemical drape remains in place until the chemical service is complete. That chemical drape consists of a towel, cape, towel. Hair brushing. Hair brushing stimulates microcirculation to the scalp, helps remove dust, dirt, and hairspray buildup from the hair. It gives added shine. Brushing also aids in detangling and control for lighter curl patterns. Brush types and detangling implements. If the manufacturer recommends shampoo before a chemical service, lightly brush and gently shampoo the hair to avoid scalp irritation. You're going to rinse with cool, not cold water. There are many brushes on the market. So brushes with natural bristles are highly recommended for straight to wavy hair during the shampoo and conditioning service and before the scalp massage. Natural bristles have many tiny overlapping layers of scales which clean and add luster to the hair. Paddle brushes with rubber-like bristles, wet type brushes, collapsible brushes, and plastic vent brushes with sturdy bristles, such as 7 or 9 row brushes, are widely used to detangle wet hair. So for a tighter curl pattern, a wide tooth comb may be required for detangling wet or dry hair. Finger detangling may also be necessary before brushing. For manual or large knots, and helps separate the hair into workable sections for brushing or reduce breakage and client discomfort. Remember, curly or textured hair may require a detangling and brushing prior to the shampoo. Skipping this step could cause the hair to become matted and tangled during the shampoo process which could lead to hair loss and density reduction. So please make sure you detangle the hair before you put the client in the shampoo bowl. On straight to wavy textures where the cuticle is closed, the sebum will sit on top of the hair strands, making it appear oily. For these hair textures, natural oils can be brushed down and through the hair daily for luster and shine. Curly hair has a naturally raised cuticle, therefore the scalp tends to absorb the natural sebum from the scalp before it can be carried down to the mid-lengths of the hair. Curly hair is not able to be brushed and daily to distribute it to the sebum. So curly hair is not able to be brushed daily to distribute the sebum. The benefits of scalp massage during a shampoo conditioning service. So the two basic requirements of a healthy scalp are cleanliness and stimulation. Since similar manipulations are given with some scalp treatments, scalp massage is a procedure you will perform often and should learn to do well. Massage is a method of manipulating the scalp by rubbing, tapping, kneading, or stroking it with the hands. Benefits include scalp microcirculation and calming tenseness. Scalp massages are recommended. Scalp massage is performed directly on the scalp and may be implemented before or after a shampoo service, depending on the hair texture and client scalp needs. There are two techniques frequently used together in giving a scalp massage, that is, effleurage and petrissage. Effleurage uses strokes and circular hand movements. This technique is most often used for scalp massage. It can be done gently and rhythmically to relax your client, so stimulate the microcirculation and bring nutrients to the scalp. It is usually done with the balls of the fingers and back and forth movements. So we did go over the effleurage technique. Just keep in mind you want to make sure that after doing the service, this client is leaving pretty fluffy. Petrissage involves gentle pushing and kneading the scalp with the palms, fingers, and thumbs of the hand to help soothe muscles. Petrissage is often used in a therapeutic massage to loosen up dead skin cells from the scalp. With both techniques, start the gentle stroking movements at the hairline. Slowly move backward to cover the crown of your finger inside the hair, ensuring you touch the scalp. Hair may need to be separated or sectioned based on texture and density to perform proper massage. Do not touch, scrape, or scratch the scalp with your fingernails. Apply consistent and gentle pressure using the balls of your fingers. It is best to stroke the scalp sideways, following the shape of the hairline. You can encourage your clients to take deep breaths and relax as you perform your massage movements. When massaging during the conditioning phase, the conditioner is distributed throughout the hair, followed by massage manipulations. When performing a scalp massage, keep the client's head supported and maintain contact with the head at all times. Use slow, deliberate motions and a soft touch as outlined in Procedure 10-6. Ensure you are manipulating the scalp and not the hair to prevent tangling throughout the service. Make sure your hands, fingers, and shoulders are relaxed and free of stiff mechanical movements throughout the service. Describe treatments for normal to mild scalp conditions. So scalp treatments contribute to the overall health of the scalp and hair. Maintaining proper hydration and keeping the scalp free of excess sebum and dead skin cells creates an ideal environment for healthy hair and scalp. Educate clients about any concerns related to their scalp and help them understand the benefits of a professional scalp treatment combined with proper home maintenance. Whether the hair lacks protein, moisture, or vitamins, understanding the needs of each client's scalp allows you to perform the correct treatment. A scalp treatment purpose is to maintain a clean and healthy scalp. This generally includes a gentle brushing at the scalp area a shampooing and conditioning service, and a scalp massage lasting up to 10 minutes for relaxation. You also have dry hair and scalp treatments. A dry hair scalp treatment should be used when there is a natural oil deficiency on the scalp. Many things can cause a dry scalp. Pre-brushing to loosen dead skin cells is a good first step for straight to wavy textures. Textures with a tighter curl pattern will require detangling to be able to pre-brush or gently loosen debris. Our oily scalp treatments. Overactive sebation glands cause excessive oiliness. These glands are sometimes active due to genetics, but can also be aggravated by overexertion, misuse and layering of heavy products, and physical changes in the body. During this type of massage, manipulate the scalp using a kneading technique to increase microcirculation. Anti-dandruff treatment. Dandruff is visibly shed skin cells caused by a fungus called Malassezia. Dandruff can sit on the scalp and create dryness, itchiness, and discomfort. Modern anti-dandruff shampoos, conditioners, and topical lotions contain antifungal agents that control dandruff by suppressing Malassezia growth. These antifungal products often contain mint or other stimulating oils to promote a tingling effect on the scalp. So pre-brushing is not recommended with any anti-dandruff treatment because you risk overstimulating delicate scalp issues. So because fungus can resist treatment, recommend additional salon treatments and regular use of anti-dandruff home care products. Before dandruff treatment, ensure the scalp is free of any punctures or signs of overstimulation. Anti-dandruff treatments and shampoos are designed to correct the growth of Malassezia on the scalp, but can dry the hair as well. So these treatments may need to be paired with a deep conditioner to restore their moisture. When selecting a proper shampoo, the shampoo serves as a good opportunity to ensure the hair and scalp are properly cleansed and nourished, providing a great canvas for styling and ongoing hair care. The pH scale in shampoo. Understanding pH levels will help you select shampoos for your client. The amount of hydrogen in the solution, which determines whether it is alkaline or acidic, is measured on a pH scale that has a range from 0 to 14. The pH of a neutral solution, one which is neither acidic nor alkaline, is 7. A shampoo that is acidic will have a pH range from 0 to 6.9. A shampoo that is alkaline will have a pH of 7.1 or higher. The more alkaline the shampoo, the stronger and harsher it is. A high pH shampoo can leave the hair dry, brittle, and porous. So a high pH shampoo can cause fading and color-treated hair, and a slightly acidic shampoo more closely matches the ideal pH of hair. Our shampoo types. We have for oily hair and scalp, balancing shampoo or neutralizing shampoo. When we have a buildup on the hair, we have our clarifying shampoos. When we want to maintain our color, we have our color enhancing shampoos. Though it is recommended to wash curly hair less often, it can benefit from a clarifying shampoo due to abundant product use and length of time between shampoos. When using clarifying shampoo for curly hair, a two-step shampoo process is recommended with a secondary shampoo applied using a lower pH to restore the cuticle. So highly textured hair mostly lack moisture. So using a clarifying shampoo strips the hair of natural oils, and those oils need to be replenished. So keep that in mind. We also have our conditioning shampoo, also known as moisturizing shampoo, which makes the hair smooth and shiny and improves its manageability. They are also non-stripping, meaning they do not remove as much artificial color from the hair. We have our dry shampoo. Sometimes the client helps make a wet shampoo uncomfortable or impossible. It is advisable to use dry shampoo, also known as powder shampoo, which refreshes the hair without soap. We have our medicated shampoo. Contains special ingredients that are very effective in reducing dandruff or relieving other scalp conditions. So a physician must describe some medicated shampoos. It depends. They can be strong and could affect the color of color-treated hair or lightened hair. So in some cases, the shampoo must remain on the scalp for a longer period of time. We have our oil shampoos that include oil to soften and hydrate brittle hair. They are ideal for clients and who live in drier climates. A pH balanced shampoo is balanced to the pH of the skin and hair, and many shampoos are pH balanced by adding citric, lactic, or phosphoric acid. Most experts believe that acidic pH of 4.5 to 5.5 is essential to prevent excessive dryness and hair damage. Our shampoo for hair pieces and wig. If shampoo is recommended, use a gentle shampoo such as one you would use for color treated hair or one especially designed for wigs. Shampoos with keratin protein added. Shampoo with added keratin protein helps temporarily strengthen the hair as it cleanses. It is manufactured with artificial protein molecules in the shampoo base to cling to the hair's natural protein. Shampoo for thinning hair. Shampoos marketed for thinning hair are usually formulated by a gentler and have a lighter molecular weight that encourages a clean environment for healthy hair growth. These shampoos contain volume boosting ingredients that give the illusion of additional volume and density to the hair. The past several years has seen an industry movement towards freestanding shampoo bowls known as European shampoo bowls, which allows the stylist to stand behind instead of next to the client. This configuration is ergonomically beneficial for the stylist because it facilitates proper body alignment and posture during the shampoo service. We have our strengthening shampoo. Strengthening shampoos contains various strengthening and nourishing ingredients to add strength to weak, damaged, or brittle hair. It is designed for clients who are not exhibiting weakness or brittleness. The sulfate-free shampoos, sometimes called soap-free shampoos, are formulated with little to no alkaline soap base. They are manufactured as wetting agents to be compatible with hair and soft water sources. We have our vegan shampoos. Vegan shampoo is formulated without any animal ingredients, nor has it been tested on animals. It is created with organic or natural ingredients and provides its user with plant-based treatments to correct hair and scalp conditions. Shampooing clients with a disability. Clients with a disability will usually tell you how they prefer to be shampooed. Some clients in wheelchair will allow you to shampoo the hair while they remain seated in the wheelchair. Client product education. Let client know about what shampoo and conditioner you are using and why. You have selected those products especially for their hair. Mention that these products are available for purchase and emphasize their benefits. So anytime you're going to approach a client with the product, you want to make sure that you are sharing the features and benefits of the product. It has jojoba oil, coconut oil, and it also has honey. And then the benefits are it's going to help my hair be strong, long, and soft. So you want to talk about the features and the benefits. Then we have our conditioner types. Conditioners deposit proteins or moisturizer to the hair. They help restore the hair strength, infuse moisture, give hair body, and protect hair against possible breakage. Reinforcing the hair from within. Many conditioners also contain humectants, which are substances that absorb moisture or promote moisture retention. Our rinse out conditioners, sometimes called daily conditioners, these finishing rinses or cream rinses are rinsed out after they are worked through the hair. Treatment or repair conditioners are deep penetrating conditioners before protein that restore protein and moisture and sometimes require longer processing time. Our oil treatments or oil-less conditioners. Oil treatments are ideal for dry scalp and hair. The fatty acids in the oils can replace the lack of natural lipids in the hair to help avoid breakage. We have our leave-in conditioners as well. This conditioner type is applied to the hair and not rinsed out. Typically, they are formulated with a low molecular weight as to not weigh down the hair and add hydration for drying textures. We have our co-wash. The term co-wash refers to conditioner and water used as an in-between or before a shampoo service. Regular shampoo products typically contain additives such as glycerin and silicones, but clients with a naturally curly, coily hair type may prefer not to use them due to possible dryness and excessive coating of the hair after they shampoo. The natural hair community and curly hair market often embrace light conditioning and water as a foundation for weekly cleansing. And that is our co-washing. We also have other conditioning agents such as spray-on thermal protectors, scalp conditioners, medicated scalp lotion, and then scalp astringents. Spray-on thermal protector can be applied to the hair before any thermal service to protect it from the harmful effects of blow drying, thermal irons, or electric rollers. Our scalp conditioners, usually found in a cream base, going to soften and improve the scalp's health. It contains moisturizing and emollient ingredients. Our medicated scalp lotions is a conditioner that promotes scalp healing. And then our scalp astringent lotions removes oil accumulation from the scalp. It is used after a scalp treatment and before styling.